Hi everyone, my name is Vincent Villapando and I'll explain the troubleshoot in Dell BIP codes. Let's start. 1 BIP motherboard BIOS ROM failure. When your BIOS is corrupt, it will prevent the motherboard from posting. And the solution to fix these problems is to replace or repair your motherboard. To any repairs pertaining to these BIP codes should be met with extreme caution. And the sound is this.
Beep.
2 bips, no RAM detected. 2 bips means that no RAM or memory is being detected. When the solution could be as simple as just resetting your RAM, this is done by removing and reinstalling it to make sure that it's properly inserted. Worst case scenario, the RAM could be faulty and needed to be replaced. And the sound is this.
Beep, beep.
3 beeps, motherboard chipset error. 3 beeps will sound when there's a motherboard chipset error detected. This code usually indicates a faulty motherboard and will typically require need to be repaired or replaced. And the sound is this.
Beep, beep, beep.
4 beeps, RAM failure. When you hear these 4 beeps, there may be issues with your RAM module, taking it out and resetting. It may fix the issue much like the 2 bips codes. The RAM could be faulty and needed to be replaced. And the sound is this.
Beep, 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 beep.
And that's the Dell bip codes. Thank you for watching.